What do you think you're doing? This isn't your ride. I've got one last job before we wrap things up. Amita needs to go. It's the will of Kira. It's the only way to spare Kirat from more bloodshed. Hey. She's just another pagan. Do what needs to be done, brother.
Here, we are live, we are on the air, and the day is finally here. Man, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm gonna say it here, loud and proud to you listeners. Pagan's reign of terror is over. The fat lady has sung. This feels weird. I mean, I've been waiting for this day for so long. I can't tell you how many years it's been. I've lost count. But I gotta say it here loud and proud on the air for all of you guys to hear. The golden path is victorious, bhaiyo aur behno. We did it, you guys. And much of this, I cannot exclude this guy. Much of it is due to the hard work and effort of my man, Ajay Ghale. Brother, Bhaijan, the next time we meet, I want to thank you personally. Hey, bhai, thank you so much. Finished your father's work. He is so proud of you, and we're also proud of you. It owes you a great debt.
I can almost see your furrowed brow from here.
Pagan, what do you want?
Oh, I'm merely calling to check up on you. I hear your little friends are having a bit of a spat. It must be hard, what with you in the middle of it all. Choices are difficult. Trust me, I've been there. In fact, you should be grateful for the choices I've made. Choices like you. I went on live television to serve her up to you, and I know television. Radio is so much more my thing. And you jumped on the opportunity. Poor Yuma, she will be missed. It was a tough call to make, picking you over her, but it was the right call. You'll see. Of course, you're in a hurry, places to go, shit to tear up. I'll let you get back to it. But don't forget, Ajay, choices have consequences.
Ajay, I need you to listen to me very carefully. When you confront Amita, she will do her best to talk you into letting her go. You cannot believe a word she says. She is a godless heretic with no respect for her own heritage, her own history. The future of Kirat depends on your ability to follow through with this mission. Do not falter. And Ajay, this is what your father would have wanted. Make him proud.
My sacrifice.
You. He sent you to kill me. I knew it'd come to this, but you?
Who else pulls the trigger around here?
Good point. Sabal hides behind his blind faith in tradition, and you follow along like one of his subjects? I actually believed you when you said all you wanted to do was honor your mother's dying wish. Go on, son of Mohan, savior of Kirat. Follow your orders, pull the trigger. I'm sure it's the will of Kirat.
Amita's taken care of.
It's not for me to judge her now, brother. The gods will do that. You have a dictator to kill, and a war to end.